I wanted to introduce this deck I made. Okay, it's called the Ching, the Lightbody Ching Codex. Okay, so the Ching is actually really, really helpful on the path of ascension and enlightenment because you can get really detailed information. Okay, I've been studying it for almost 20 years, and there's people that study it for their lifetime. Even Confucius it's theorized that he contributed to the creation of I Ching on some of the commentaries. I don't know that is exactly, I don't know if that's proven basically, but we do know that he did work with it. So it started from reading tortoise shells and then kept evolving over time. And it's approximately 3,000 years old. There's a lot of wisdom in it. So I wanted to share a little bit about this if people are on the path of alignment, enlightenment, ascension, etc. This actually helps with just your alignment, okay? Asking questions, even just reading the book. This is the Wilhelm version, and there's a lot of info. I have quite a few other versions here. This is the Hua Ching Ni version. This one's good. I like it. Sometimes it's, I'm not too sure about the interpretations. And then we have the Book of Answers, Wu Wei. And this one also is, I'm not 100% sure about, but if you wanted to start studying that, otherwise there's this deck that I made. And so this helps with your alignment. There's 64 cards because there's 64 hexagrams. They're hexagram shaped. The best way to use the I Ching is with the coin toss method, but this, I've actually been working with it the last few days, is actually really accurate too. And it depends on your alignment and your harmonization on how you read I Ching, okay? If you're really aligned and harmonized, it comes out clear. It's very accurate. If not, it can be distorted. It can give you the wrong messages, okay? So that's what this is. So this is for sale on my website. If you want to move into it, I'll show you the back. This is the reading for today. And I'm not going to teach you guys how to read these per se, but there is directions in the deck as well. And then just so you know, these are print on demand. So the box is not super stable, and that's just so it can keep the cost down. Otherwise, the box itself would be like $10. So just to be transparent there. So the message for today, and I'm going to start using these. Sometimes I use the coin toss for the collective readings. I'm going to start using the cards when I feel like it, and I won't if I don't. The message today is hexagram 32, which is duration, changing to hexagram 18, which is work on what's been spoiled. So 32 is stabilizing long-term energetic integrity, endurance of purpose, field coherence, and sacred commitment through time. And the changing lines are line 4 and line 6. So this is more detailed within duration that you need to know about today. Stability emerges from faithfulness. Keep showing up in devotion. Line 6 is rigidity mimics devotion. Don't cling to the form, embody the essence. So what you're being asked to do today is keep going. Okay, keep going, but don't cling to results. Don't cling to what you think should happen or how it plays out. Just keep going. Keep doing what you're doing. Try not to be too rigid. Be like water, fluid, moving through choices, decisions, emotions, etc. Don't get stuck in any thought pattern, emotional state, etc. Allow yourself to always come back to center, because what you're working on is long lasting, okay? What you're working towards, okay? And then the changing hexagram, what it's changing into is 18, work on what's been spoiled. The light body function here is if you move through this and are allow things to flow, etc., you will be healing ancestral imprints and distortions, restoring purity to corrupted energetic lines, karmic repair through conscious effort, okay? Keywords key words here are ancestral healing, karmic clearing, energetic correction, restoration, and purification. Okay. So the short message is keep going. Okay. As you do that, you will be healing the ancestral line, these karmic imprints, etc. Just keep going day to day to day. Don't get stuck on any healing issue, healing pattern distortion, and just keep moving forward. Okay? Sending love.